Hello, welcome to a new video where I'm going to tell you how to start your day well with 9 habits. Think there are 2 modes: sleep until the last moment and hardly get out of bed and hastily eat breakfast and leave the house, or start your day with good habits. I choose the second method. Now I want you to listen to these 9 habits to start your day well. Number 1. Waking up early. This habit brings a good thing. For example, you don't need to work in a hurry and you can do your morning tasks patiently and slowly. Be aware that if you wake up early, you will be successful in the next 8 habits. Number 2. Smiling. Smile when you wake up. Research has shown that smiling has many benefits. For example, it makes you feel good about that day. Don't forget to say good words. For example, say that I'm lucky to be alive today and to be able to pursue my goals. Number 3. Tidy. Tidy room and house will calm your mind. This habit will increase your pride and you can focus on other habits. Number 4. Mouth and teeth. In the past, scientists said to brush your teeth after breakfast, but now they believe that you should brush your teeth after waking up. Don't forget to clean your tongue to freshen your breath and mouth. Number 5. Eating a miraculous combination. Pour warm water and lemon juice in a glass and drink it. Among the benefits of this combination, it can be said that lemon juice cleans the kidneys and liver and makes you have a fresh and youthful skin. After brushing your teeth, don't forget to drink lemon juice with a straw so as not to damage your teeth. Number 6. Exercise. Soften your muscles with this word so that you can be happy during the day. Number 7. Meditation. With this method, prepare your soul for a day full of good events. Just focus on your breathing, inhale and exhale every 4 seconds. Number 8. Healthy and complete breakfast. You may say I don't like to eat, but if you have last 7 habits, you will be very interested in eating breakfast. By eating breakfast, you will be less hungry during the day and as a result, you will be thinner. Number 9. Creating. Before you read and learn something, create something. Today is your day, so create something, for example, draw a picture or write a text. Start your day creatively. By observing these 9 habits, turn a bad and boring day into a day full of good feelings. If you want to start a better life with me, don't forget to follow me. See you later. Bye until the next video.